Let me let you in on a secret Aristotle knew over 2,000 years ago. Excellence isn't a one-off event. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. In a world obsessed with quick results, this lesson hits different. Whether I'm mastering a new skill, building a career, or just trying to be a better human, Aristotle shows me that real success comes down to what I choose to do every single day. He was all about virtue ethics, the idea that character is built one good habit at a time. That means excellence isn't reserved for the lucky or the talented. It's for anyone willing to show up, consistently, and do the right thing. Now here's another gem. Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. In a world full of noise, comparison, and endless distractions, self-awareness is basically a superpower. Aristotle taught me that true wisdom starts when I take the time to understand who I am, my strengths, my flaws, what I value. When I really know myself, I make better choices, I stop chasing validation, and I start living with purpose. But Aristotle didn't stop with the mind. He said educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. Intelligence is great, but it's not enough. Real education, according to him, means developing not just knowledge, but also empathy, kindness, and a strong sense of right and wrong. If I want to make an impact in my family, my classroom, my community, it's not just about being smart. It's about being good. And then there's his take on happiness. Happiness depends upon ourselves. Aristotle's happiness, eudaimonia, isn't about quick thrills. It's about living meaningfully, with virtue and intention. My happiness isn't handed to me. I create it through my choices, my habits, my mindset. Finally, the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. When people, ideas, or even my own thoughts and actions come together with unity and purpose, something amazing happens. That's synergy, whether I'm working with a team, building a family, or just growing as a person. Aristotle's wisdom isn't just something to study, it's something to live. If I put these ancient lessons into action, I'm not just learning philosophy, I'm becoming it every single day.